How you doing, folks? This is Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out super cool 1972 Chevelle. It's done in its factory pewter silver metallic, black SS stripes on it. Super nice car, all original body panel car. They had a complete restoration done about 6 years ago. I've known the previous owner for the last 5. See, this car's real slick, flat down the sides. It's got show quality paint on it. You have to kind of bear with us, a little cold and windy today. Sun keeps coming and going, and you can see how straight this car is down the sides. Rear bumpers all been re-chromed. The stripes are all buried in clear. You don't feel the edge. It's just super nice car. It's got a 71 396 in it. Makes about 360 horse. It's all professionally built with ARP fasteners. It's got aluminum intake and Holley dual feed. It's got your power disc brakes, power steering, nice heavy duty Be Cool radiator with dual electric fans. It's all detailed very nice. You can see we're missing a hood insulator there. We've got one on order. Front bumper and everything's all been re-chromed. This car's got a lot of the original interior still. You can see how nice the jambs and everything are. The door panels are the originals. And I tell you, they're in super nice condition for being original. It's got a new headliner in it. It's all nice and tight like it should be. Got new seat covers front and rear. Nice set of correct bucket seats. And this is a Malibu that they had cloned to an SS. Got a nice set of 18-inch wheels on it. It's got 350 turbo trans. It's got 10-bolt 342 posi. It's got the factory jack spare. They did a radio delete panel in it, and a B&M shifter. All the carpet's new. So it's just a very nice car. I really like the gray wheels on it. Fire's right off. Got a full 3-inch exhaust out the back. The correct bell tips on it. It's just a super clean, cool car. Love the color on it. And you can check our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com. You can visit us at 8180 South State Road, Goodrich, Michigan. You can also follow us on Facebook. Have a great day, folks.